Welcome to the new XBuild AI proposal builder for homeowner proposals. Let's get started. To begin, click New Job. Here you will see a new option, which is the Build Proposals AI Copilot. Click that. From here, prompt XBuild to create an estimate. Let the AI know what shingle manufacturer you are wanting to create a proposal for. Upload your photos, or you can connect your CompanyCam account to XBuild and add your project photos directly from CompanyCam. Also provide XBuild with a full measurement report, or type in the full measurements manually. XBuild will generate a beautiful proposal that you can instantly preview. The preview will be what the homeowner will see. You can customize these, and I'll walk you through that here shortly. When you click the Edit toggle on the top, you can edit anything within the proposal itself, including the line items, margins, pricing, quantities, or anything. You can also prompt the AI to make any changes if you don't want to edit directly in the proposal itself. XBuild comes with default pricing, which you can edit in the settings, or even connect XBuild directly to your material supplier. Once you are ready to send the proposal to the homeowner, just click Send Proposal. An email dialog will appear with a pre-filled email that you can edit. Just insert the homeowner's email address, and it will email the proposal directly to the homeowner. The homeowner will get an email with the proposal link. This email will be branded with your company information. When they click the link, they can review the proposal, select what packages they want, see the totals, sign the proposal, and even pay a deposit if you connect your account to Stripe. Let's walk through how to fine-tune your XBuild account. Go to your main XBuild page and click Settings. There are new setting options in these menus. In the business profile, you can upload your logo and customize your company's brand colors so the proposals have your company branding applied. In the Wallet tab, you can update your XBuild subscription payment preferences. Here is where you can also connect your Stripe account or create a new one so you can receive payments from your homeowners. In the Suppliers and Materials tab, you can connect your XBuild account to your material supplier of choice. Here you will see the supported material suppliers and how to link them to your XBuild account. In the Components tab, you can build custom assemblies for your roofing packages. XBuild comes pre-built with roofing packages that you can edit or create your own. In the Pricing and Profit tab, you can set a default margin rate that applies to your proposals automatically and customize your deposit settings. There are multiple deposit options to choose from. In the Proposal Layouts page, you can build custom layouts for your proposals. These layouts have specific use cases that you can train the AI to use in different scenarios. Since the AI custom generates these, you provide instructions on how and when to contextually apply these layouts to proposals. And finally, in the Connected Apps tab, you can connect to apps that are supported by XBuild. Keep an eye on this as more apps are being added. Just like that, you can start using XBuild to build amazing proposals in minutes instead of hours. Go bid some projects.